Hi everybody, here's a quick look at adding new files using Collaborate Online. First thing is navigate to the folder that you'd like to add your files to, then simply click on the Add Files button. Now, message says here you can click or drag files into here to upload. So I've opened a folder here. I can select one, or using Control and click or Shift and click any number of the files in this folder, simply drag them across, drop them into the zone, and they will be uploaded. Once the files list has been populated, simply click Upload Now and your files will be added into the folder of your choice. If you prefer, rather than dropping files into this area, you can just click here and browse your local drive. Once again, you can use Control and click or Shift and click to select as many files or all the files in your list. Once those files are marked as ready to upload, you could click Upload Now, or if you prefer, go into Advanced Options, and here you have a range of options allowing you to notify other users that you've added new content. So you can type a message in here, and then you can select who you wish to notify. You can either select the User Groups feature, if you've used that when setting up your users, or pick individual users from the drop-down list here. After you've made your selections, click Upload Now. Collaborate Online will also try to intelligently match newly uploaded files to existing files in the system if they have the same or similar names. So once again, I'm going to upload some further files. I'm going to navigate to a different folder, my issue 2, select the same group of files and add them again. Now this time Collaborate's going to look at the existing files in the folder and see if any of the names are similar enough for it to suggest that there is a match. And here it's just picked out one from our upload where we've got a version B of a drawing when we already have the version A. Collaborate's telling us that that's a 90% similarity in the file name, so we could match that file, and if we choose this option, the version A will be incremented to a version B. You should note that the file names don't have to be exactly the same. They can be similar, and Collaborate will suggest matches based on the percentage of similarity between the two file names. I'll take Match and then click Upload Now. What we'll see here that most of those new files will be added with an A revision, but our one file that has been incremented here will be added with a B revision. If you don't want to rely on Collaborate Online's intelligent matching features to match new files to old ones, you can update a file directly. First click on the cog icon, then click the Upload File icon here. From here you simply browse to pick a new file, click Continue, and that file will be uploaded to replace the existing version, and the version number will be incremented. So that covers the basics of adding files to Collaborate Online, but I thought we'd just have a look at a little bit more detail at some of the more advanced features that you may wish to use. So I've navigated to a different folder now with some more files in. I'm going to again click on the Add Files button, click in the drag and drop area, and navigate to my local drive. Here I'm going to pick some files again and drop them into the system. Now we've got one match here which I'm going to accept. Once again, you don't have to accept matches, you can upload them as new files. Once you've done that match, I'm going to show you this pencil icon where if you wish you can populate your upload with more information. So for example, you could give your document a title. You can change the document type here if you want. You can change the status in this option. You can also introduce a file number, which is often contained within the file name itself. I'm going to copy and paste that, and in some instances you may not be starting with revision A, you may actually be starting with a revision B or C, or indeed a numeric revision if you choose to use numeric revisions. So against each file you can click on the pencil icon and further populate the other information that you may wish to upload. Now going on from here, I'm going to have a closer look at these messages that we can put in the advanced section. Once again, if you wish here, you can change the document type, and that would apply to all of the documents in your upload. In a similar way, you can change the status, so you could upload all of these documents as pending if you wish. Once again, you can put a notification in containing details of the upload that you're issuing or the issue that you're carrying out now. Now, just going to have a closer look at these notify options. We have seen that you can check the notify all option here, and indeed this option can be set as a default in your system configuration. I'm not going to choose to notify all of my users via the document groups. I'm going to have a closer look at this drop down, which of course in a live system can be a very long list of users. Now you can search for an individual user here if you wish to, and select them in this fashion. Or, depending on the email addresses of course, you could search for users from one particular company, or you might have a first name or a surname that you want to look for, and you can issue the notification to those guys. Or once again, you've got the notify all option here. Now, as one of our documents has been updated, it wasn't a new issue, it was an update. I'm going to also include in this a reason for update. That can be as detailed or as brief as you like. Once again, this notification will be sent as an email to those people that you've selected, containing the details and the summary about this particular issue. I'm going to click upload now, and those documents will be added to the system. When we've included an issue notification against a particular document, you notice that the speech bubble next to these items has turned amber. That's telling me that there is a notification that at this stage I haven't read about. There's the detail that I included in that text a few moments ago. So they have a more detailed look at adding files to Collaborate Online.